Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Wolverine's head with his mask on. So let's get in there in the center here. What I'm going to do in the middle, I'm going to do a curve. Okay, so I'm going to start back here, just go up and down like so, like that. Okay, then I'm going to put a little point in about here. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'm going to draw a line up, go past this point here, curve it up a little bit. Same on this side, I'm going to go past here, past that point there, sort of join it up to about there. So just bring that up like so, like that. Okay, then we can bring it down. So I'm going to go around like this and in, and then take this side around there and in like that. Okay, let's just make those lines the same sort of size. Okay, right, next up we can just pop the nose in. So I'm going to probably come down to about there where the nose area will be. All right, what I can do there is draw like an elongated diamond from the top. So I'm going to do 2 lines out here and then just join them up about there, like that and that. Okay, let's pop his eyes in. So there's a diagonal area, a diagonal line area up there. Pop it up, a little line up there, diagonal line, pop a line up there. Then we can just bring the underneath in and up. Same thing here, bring it in and up. Okay, we've got the eye parts in there. Okay, what we can do now is just bring the mask down a bit with the cheekbone. So that comes in like here, just a curve, and there, just a bit of a curve there, okay? Then we can bring out the jaw, so that can come down here. Same thing here, just bring it down there, real square jaw on him. Then that comes down here, there's a chin area, and then just bring it up and join it up there. Okay, now we can do the inner part of his mask. So I'm going to do a little curve there to about here, and this side do the same sort of thing there. Okay, then what we can do is just bring a line down here and just join up where the mask is there. Same thing here, bring it down, join it where the mask is. All right, cool. Next up we can put his mouth in. So I'm going to do like a curved line here. So I'm just going to do a curve from about there, down like that and up, bring it out, and kind of go a bit straight along the bottom, join it up. Right here, there's a little line underneath where his lip would be a bit there too. A couple of little lines around where his nose area would be too. Then we can just do a few little squiggles inside, which shows teeth. That's cool, nice. Okay, now we've got those in. Let's look at the top here. So this kind of comes around with a curve here. Same thing here, kind of comes around with a curve there. What I'll do, just colour that in. Just pop in black colour for the costume. There we go. Okay, now we've got those pieces in. Let's have a look. And what we can do is start putting a few more little pieces of detail in. So around here we can kind of just pop a few little lines in. And the shades coming from this side, so lines in there. They can continue along this point here. You can probably go around this point here too, so just put a few little lines in around that side. On the head area, let's put a couple of lines in here, curve there, and then let's put some angry markings in here. So just some diagonal lines and out like that, and a couple more little lines, like stress lines in there as well, okay? Underneath the eye, we can just go fill that in, just bring out a few lines around there. That's it, starting to come together. Nose area, we can just pop in a few little lines as well around there. And then this eye, we can come round like that. Nice, and a few little lines there, just make him quite angry. That's cool. Maybe just bring out this jawline a little bit, sort of just fill it in a bit of a darker line around the edge. Just there, around the top, bring that in. Let's do the same here, just bring that around here, thicken the line up, bring that down, around where the cheek is, bring that out, down there, it's nice and thickens up the mask around him. Okay, next thing we need to do, just a little bit of a curve there for the chin, and we'll just put that stubble in around there, so short little lines all around there, just give Wolverine his famous stubble. all around there. Just really adds to the effect of him looking really angry. A few more little lines there. Maybe he's got a couple of little lines like coming out here. Maybe just here, just sort of hint where this mask is coming from as well. Maybe we can just add a few more at the top area there. Maybe there's just a few just around the head too. Alright, cool, that's good. Let's start colouring that in. So, get myself a nice bright and vibrant yellow for the top of his mask. I'm just going to do a curve like that, so there's like light bouncing off the top here. Okay, and then we can just colour that in. So nice vibrant yellow all around there. Okay, that's cool. Then there's a nice vibrant yellow just in this area, in that diamond area too. And then there's probably a bit going on around here and here. Just a few little lines. Maybe just a bit more in there. And what I can do then is just get a bit more of a darker yellow colour. And we'll just fill in the rest of that. So just kind of just show a bit of a shadow going on there. So just fill that in with this pen. Join that up to that yellow part. And just work around there. Nice, so maybe just get this smaller tip there, and just maybe just draw around there, so it's kind of like joining up to the mask part, and then just a little bit darker bit around here. All right, cool. Next up, let's get a light blue. Just do the light areas of Wolverine's mask. So maybe just on this side, there's a bit of light coming off it, bouncing off it. So I can kind of just come along here and just fill in these areas around here. The edge there, and then this point here. Maybe the light's like bouncing a bit here. Just around this area too. And then maybe on this part, we can pop a bit on the mask here. Maybe there's some light bouncing off the top here, but what we can do is just bring that blue in like that. Nice bit of contrast in the picture. So what I'll do next is get this darker blue, and then I'll just fill in some of those darker areas. So right down here to here, we'll just fill this in with this nice dark deep blue. Maybe just what we can do with that part here is fill it in, make it look even more angry around here. Fill in all around here. And just fill it in a bit so it's a nice even colour going on, and just pop a few lines up here. Maybe there's a bit of that going on here. And this can come across here where he's got like an angry eyebrow. Bit of an angry brow. Make it more angry on that side, that's it. Bring it in here. Maybe a bit of light just bouncing off the cheek area. Just there. Cool, and then what we can do, we can bring that up to the top there. That's it. Get that finer tip, and we can just pop in a few little lines there. Same here. So bring that along here. Just put in some kind of like comic effects. Cool, okay, next up, let's get ourselves a nice sort of flesh colour for Wolverine. We can fill that in there. Just fill it all in, maybe leave a little bit of white around just the bottom of where his lip would be. And then I'll just get a slightly darker flesh tone. And we can just work that into the other side, so it's showing the shading. Yeah, that's working now. That's good. Nice. Okay. That's pretty cool. Maybe just bring the mask area here down a little bit so it's a bit more pointed. And then what we can do, just add some effects around him. Some like little flashes around. Cool. And then we'll pop his name in, so that's Wolverine. So yeah, let's pop it in. There we go, let's move the pens over there. Yeah, put a couple of lines in, there's claw marks in going on there. Alright, cool. And that is Wolverine's head on Art Drawer. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again. Bye for now.